Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply install Premiere Pro from your computer device in a very simple way. What you have to do first, you have to press Windows plus I in your keyboard. It will going to open your Windows settings. After, you have to come over into the app section. Into the app section, you have to click on installed apps, and then you're going to find out the Adobe Premiere Pro over here. So if you click on the three hamburger menu, and then if you click on the install button, click on install, and there will be a yes or no option. Click on yes, and your installation will be begin. And here you have got a notification called would you like to remove notification allowed interface settings and other preferences. I'm going to yes, remove. The installing process is begin, and the installation is completed. Now if you click on close, and now if you close it, and yeah, this is how you can simply do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.